Good afternoon, students. So in the previous session we have completed exercise 10.3 till question number 1 to 6. Now we move on to the question number 7, that a room is 4 meter long and 3 meter 50 centimeter wide. How many square meters of carpet is needed to cover the floor of the room? So students, we have to find the area of given room. So length of room is given, that is 4 meter. Breadth is given 3 meter 50 centimeter. So we want to find the area of room, that is length multiplied by breadth. But here your breadth is in meter centimeter, so that we have to convert into meter. So we have to use here the decimal concept that we already learned in chapter 8, that is 3 meter 50 centimeter, that you can write as 3.50 meter. So now both the units are same, so we can do the multiplication. So length into breadth is equal to 4 meter multiplied by 3.50 meter. When you do the multiplication, your answer is 14.00 square meter. As here after decimal point there are 2 digits. So in answer also after decimal point there are 2 digits. If it is not, so 00 is there, so it's okay. So what is the answer? 14 square meter carpet is needed to cover that room. So this is your question number 7. Now move on to the question number 8. The question is, a floor is 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. A square carpet of size 3 meter is laid on the floor. Find the area of the floor that is not carpeted. So let's see how to solve this question. So whatever data given, write down the data first. Question number 8. Length is given and breadth is given. So length is equal to 5 meters and breadth is equal to 4 meters. This measurement is given for floor. Now what is the question? A square carpet of size 3 meter is laid on the floor. So square carpet which side is equal to 3 meter is laid on this rectangular floor. Now we know the shape of rectangle and we know the shape of square. Suppose this is your rectangular floor in which you have given length 5 meter and breadth 4 meter. So here you are just carpet side is equal to 3 meter, means in carpet, if carpet is in square shape, then what happen? Its all side measurement are 3 meters. So suppose this is your 3 meter, 4 minus 1 if you consider, and this is, so this is your square carpet in which all the measurements of side 3 meter. Okay. Now what is the question? We want to find the area which is not carpeted. So we have to find this area where carpet is not there. Okay. So what we will do? First we will find the area of this rectangle. Then we find the area of this square. Then what happens? Whatever answer we are getting, so area of rectangle minus area of square will give you the area of this portion which is not covered by the carpet. So let's do. First find the area of floor. So area is equal to length into breadth, which is equal to 5 meter into 4 meter, which is equal to 5 4s are 20 meter square, or you can say square meter. So this is the area of floor. Now we will find the area of carpet. So area is equal to side into equal to 3 into 3. 3 meter, 3 meter. So what is the answer? 9 square meter. So now the whole area is 20 square meter and this area is 9 square meter. So area which is not covered by carpet is equal to what? Area of floor 20 square meter minus area of square carpet 9 square meter. So what is the answer? 11 square meter. So this way we can find the answer in such kind of question. Find the area of rectangle, find the area of square carpet and then take the difference, you will get the answer. So this is your question number 8. Move on to the next question. Next question, question number 9. Let's see what is the question. 5 square flower beds, each of side 1 meter, are dug on a piece of land 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. What is the area of the remaining part of the land? So first of all write the data and draw the diagram. So for land is equal to 5 meter and breadth is equal to 4 meter. So this is the rectangular land in which 5 meter land, 4 meter breadth. Now what is the question? You have to dug the area in such a way that you can make the flower beds. Okay? So this is your one flower bed has the side measurement 1 meter. Such 5 square flower beds are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 flower beds are there. So we want to find the area of this whole line and area of this each flower bed and then sum up. You can directly also find the area. And what is the question? We have to find what is the area of this which is not covered with this flower bed. So 5 for the 20 meter square. That is the area of this whole land. Each one is measured 1 meter. So area of this one flower bed is 1 square meter, 1 square meter, 1 square meter, 1 square meter, 1 square meter. So how many it is? 5 square meter. So area of flower beds, total area of this 5 flower bed is equal to 5 square meter. And area of total land is equal to 20 square meters. Then we have to find the difference. So now what is the area of land? Is equal to land into breadth. So which is equal to 5 meter into 4 meter, which is equal to 20 square meter. Next we will find area of 5 flower beds. Is equal to 5 multiplied by 1 square meter, as area of 1 flower bed is equal to 1 square meter. So now difference, area which is not area of remaining land is equal to what? Area of land 20 square meter minus area of 5 flower beds, that is 5 square meter. So what is the answer? 15 square meter. So this way we can find the answer of question number 9. Next we will see question number 10.